Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. This is Mohana Khan, and in today's video I'll be sharing my vanity tour with you guys, and I'll also be sharing my makeup collection and skincare collection of the year 2020. I know I'm pretty late to do this video. I was thinking of doing this video last year, but I did not get the time, so better late than never. So this is going to be my skincare and makeup collection for the year 2020. And a lot of you guys wanted to see my vanity tour, but I was not able to do it because this vanity was shared by me and my sister both. And now that my sister is married, this vanity belongs to me only. She has got her new vanity at her new house, so this vanity is totally mine, and she's going to kill me after she sees this. But yeah, it's actually mine, so I'm going to show you around. But before going ahead with the video, I want to put out a quick disclaimer. This is all the makeup and the skincare I own. I am not trying to show off or brag in any way or form. I love makeup, I love playing with makeup, and I also do YouTube and Instagram sometimes, so I kind of like to buy and try out a lot of products, share my reviews with you guys, and that is the reason I have so much makeup. And I'm also a makeup artist, so I need makeup to do makeup on my clients. There is no need for you to have so much makeup. I don't really have a lot of makeup, but according to me it's quite generous. So yeah, without any further blabbering, let's get started with the video. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, then please subscribe, and if you enjoy watching the video, then please hit the thumbs button. It would mean the absolute world to me. So this is what my vanity looks like. I don't know why the light is reflecting in this way. So I have a huge mirror over here, and I have bulbs all over the sides. Let's start with the top of the vanity first. Here I have this tray, and on top of it there is this tiny plant, and I have 3 perfumes over here which are not mine. These are my sister's, so she's yet to take them to her new place. In this cup right here I have all my eye brushes, and I don't know why some of my face brushes are also here. So basically in this one I have all my eye brushes, and in the one next to it I have all my face brushes, which are pretty dirty. That reminds me, I need to clean my brushes. However, I have this glass container right here, and I don't know what's inside it. It's my sister's, I believe. There is a cute little glass tortoise over here, and in this bowl right here we keep all the jewelry that we wear on a daily basis. We open it and we throw it here. And moving on to the next part, this is a really nice wooden basket here. Here I have the Nykaa body mist. This is basically for my mists and setting sprays. There is the Kama Ayurveda rose mist, 2 Good Vibes toners. I love the Good Vibes toners. The MAC Fix Plus, the Maybelline one, Wet n Wild, and Body Shop. Here I have all my contact lenses, and in this container right here I have my lip liners and my lip glosses. So these are my lip glosses. I have L'Oreal, I have Revlon, Lakme, and Wet n Wild. In this tiny glass right here I have my MAC lipstick, which I broke. So yeah, that's really sad. This is the one, and I also have a very tiny MAC Fix Plus. How cute is this? I have not really used it because it's so tiny. So yeah, keeping that aside, here in this basket I have a beautiful flower vase with pink, white roses, and here I have my essentials. I have my Garnier body lotion that I use on a daily basis. I have my micellar water, my baby oil to remove my makeup, sunscreen. I actually don't use this sunscreen, but I have that. I have my Nivea roll-on. I have this Innisfree serum lip scrub and this Nykaa Rosehip oil, which I swear by. This has helped me in the winter so much. I have very dry skin, so this has helped me a lot during the winter months. And over here I have a Miniso candle. Sorry, it's not Miniso, it's some Usoops or something. I have this candle. I have this box right here, which I don't know what's inside. This is my sister's again. I have this cute plant again over here. I have the Pond's Super Light Gel, and I have removed the label on the top. I don't know why. Then I have the Nykaa Wanderlust Hawaiian Jasmine body yogurt on the top, and I have some safety pins in this container. So this is all that I have on the top section. And coming to the first drawer, I have basically my complexion products over here. In this big basket, I have my foundations, and I have these two random powders lying here because they did not fit in here. This is the Mistral of Milan loose powder and the Maybelline Fit Me powder. So keeping those aside, I have L'Oreal foundations. These are the L'Oreal True Match foundations. I have two shades of them. I have the Lakme foundation, Fit Me, Matte Magique one, MAC foundations. I have another Mistral of Milan foundation that I have never used. I have the Infallible Stick foundation. I have another Maybelline Fit Me over there, the Infallible liquid foundation, and I have my Too Faced Born This Way concealers over here because they are too large to fit in my concealer compartment. So I have those over here, and I also have the Too Faced Born This Way foundations. So that's all the foundations I have. Now coming to my concealers, I have LA Girl Pro concealer, then I have Swiss Beauty, I have Fit Me, I have Focallure, and I also have Wet n Wild in here. I have a lot of various shades of these concealers. So yeah, that's that. So these are all my powders. I have the Lakme Compact, I have MAC Fix Plus, I think this is a Mistral of Milan pressed translucent powder. Yeah, this is the Faces Canada one. This I believe is the Maybelline Super Stay. Yes, this is the Sugar Loose powder, and this is my current favorite, the K Beauty Loose Setting Powder. Now this compartment has all my bronzers and bronzer palettes. So I have the Nicka K bronzer palette right here. I have this Lakme bronzer. I have my favorite Physicians Formula Butter bronzer over here. Then I have a Sugar bronzer. I have my Bahama Mama, the Wet n Wild one, and a Swiss Beauty one. Now this is my blush compartment. I have the Savannah Colors blush palette, the Maybelline one. I have two Maybelline Fit Me blushes, Savannah Colors and Blue Heaven, and a stick blush from Maybelline. Now this is all that I have in the first drawer. Coming to the next one, I have lipsticks and highlighter over here. So over here I have all the bullet lipsticks. There are a variety of brands. I have MAC, I have Avon, Maybelline, L'Oreal, Lakme, and all of that. Here are the crayons. I have again Faces, Color Bar, Lakme, Mistral of Milan, and all of that. And over here I have all the liquid lipsticks. Again, I have a variety of brands. I'm not going too deep into the lipsticks because otherwise this video will be very long. I have again Lakme, L'Oreal, Sugar, and a lot other brands. In this pouch right here, I have all my beauty blenders. I'm going to show you a sneak peek. All of them are very dirty, so I don't want to show them to you right now. I have this Smashbox primer sample lying over here that I got a long time back and I have not used it yet. So yeah, that's that. In this compartment I have all my highlighters. So I have the Blue Heaven one, the Maybelline one, Nika K, Wet n Wild again. I have a sugar highlighter and I also have this Mary Luminizer. Here I have all my primers. I have Wet n Wild, Nykaa, Miss Claire, Maybelline Physicians Formula and the Nivea Aftershave Balm. Here I have all my lip balms. I have a e.l.f. lip crayon or stain, I don't remember really. I have the Body Shop lip butter, the Maybelline Baby Lips and the Himalaya lip balm. So these are all the things that I have in this drawer right here. After that, this is the eye section. Here I have all my eye stuff. I do not really have a lot of eyeshadow palettes, but these are all that I have. I have the Makeup Revolution Iconic Division palette. This is one of my favorites palette. I have a Savannah Colors palette over here, and I also have a LA Colors palette over here. Here I have the Makeup Revolution palette, the Glitter Galaxy and Shy Styles collab. I have a Glamcom palette here. I have the Juvia's Place Masquerade palette over here. I have this Europe Girl eyeshadow palette over here that I never used. I need to declutter that. And I have my Spotlight palette over here. So these are all my big palettes. Coming to the smaller ones, I have Avon palettes, Revlon palettes, and the old Lakme palettes. And over here I have a Huda Beauty palette and two, I don't know what palettes are these, so I have those. I have a Miss Claire palette over here, two SFR color palettes and one Blue Heaven palettes. In this section right here I have all my shimmers and dusts. So I have my liquid eyeshadows, glitters, all my small dibbies of glitter. These are all Blue Heaven shimmer dusts and these are really nice. So I have almost all the colors of these Blue Heaven shimmer dusts and they are all here. I have my PAC sponges over here in the corner, and in this compartment I have all my single eyeshadows like my Miss Claire single eyeshadow, my Lakme single eyeshadow, my NYX eyeshadow base. I have a random glitter over here, I don't know why. So this is what I have in the third drawer, which is all about the eyes. And in the last drawer I have some miscellaneous stuff. I have my Kryolan, I think this is the Supra color palette over here. I have my spatula and my mixing plate right there. Here I have all my colorful eye pencils like blue, white, golden and purple and all of that. And here I have all my black eye pencils. I also have this MAC Mini over here, I don't know why. I have my PAC nude liner and my Wet n Wild nude liner over here, which should be here. So yeah, here I have my razors, my blackhead pen, my tweezers, my eyelash curler and my sharpener. Here I have some random nail polishes. I really don't need nail polishes a lot because I get gel nails done, so I'm not a fan of applying nail polish. In this Mamma Mia jar I usually have cotton pads, but I have run out of them and I have not refilled it, so it's empty. In this compartment right here I have all my eyebrow products. I have the Miss Claire gel, the Miss Claire eyebrow cake, the PAC eyebrow pomade, the Faces Canada eyebrow pencil, the L'Oreal one eyebrow brush, and a lot of Miss Claire and Savannah eyebrow pencils. And in this last compartment I have a white poster color which I need for my brides. I have the Maybelline gel eyeliner, two Miss Claire glitter liners and a lot of black liquid liners and one NYX Vivid Brights gel eyeliner. So this is all that I have in this part of my vanity. Now coming to the side, I have another dressing table. I don't know what you call it. I know it as dressing table only. I have these mirrors which are really not good looking, and this mirror goes like this, and in the back section I have all my skincare products. Over here I have the Plum Toner, Mamaearth Upton face mask, Biotique face mask, Jiva face mask, the Patanjali aloe vera gel. Here I have all my sheet masks, and I also have some Body Shop samples which I am yet to try. I have the Pantene coconut cream oil, the Everyuth mask. Then I also have the Pantene oil replacement and all that. Here there are some body sprays and colognes which are not mine. These are all my sisters. These are not mine at all. And I have this micellar water. I have this Biotique toner right here. Coming to this section, I have the tea tree oil from Nykaa, the Biotique serum, the Body Shop tea tree serum, the Good Vibes vitamin C serums, and some Good Vibes products. I also have this Dermaco, or I don't know the name properly, Dermdoc face mask which I really like. I have this L'Oreal cream. I have this face oil from Avon, the Body Shop sleeping mask, and something from Innisfree. So these are all my skincare products, and over here I have my lashes, and I have my Dot & Key peeling solution, and that's about it. And these are some of the remaining perfumes of my sisters which are still here. I'll take these out and put my perfumes in there. So yeah, this is it. These are all the things that I have, and this is the tour of my vanity. So yeah, this was it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoy it. If you did, then don't forget to hit the thumbs button. And until next time, stay safe, take care of yourselves. Bye bye.